I got an email, you should have been included on it. Jim Kevin Dropbox, open production package. Okay, then we're gonna go to 15.3.23. It's not there yet. Here, there's 15.3.23. Okay, so here I need to open up the shop aid drawing. If I go to Job Boss, sorry, I'll go back. In the front screen, you want to go to Estimating, Search Options. You want to search for a part number, and then 15.3.23.
Okay.
So there's the estimate. We'll open that guy up. So now we'll type in die number over here, 15.3.23. Customer is Aerofit. Part number is F. Hashtag L402-12, revision G, alloy is 6061, T6. Come down here to material. So on the top, you can just click all these. These are like little shortcuts. You can scroll if you want, or you just click on the top materials and it just pulls you right to the materials section. Okay, so stock is 1.750 inch. I always put diameter at the end of it just so that the guys don't ever mix up the two between stock size and stock length. And then so cut length is 4.250, and remember you always go out to 3 decimal places.
Okay.
There is no weight. Remember I was telling you last time where we either go by length or we go by weight. When we go by weight, there's a length as well, but it's only to get the sizing set up. When I only want to cut by length, I don't want to cut by weight. I just put length through it. Alternate stock. Darren will sometimes put an alternate stock on this description, so he'll come down here and he'll go and he'll write alternate stock and he'll write whatever the alternate stock is. He didn't on this one, so I'm not gonna put anything there.
Is alternate stock typically just the size?
It'll be a diameter and a cut length.
Okay.
And so the weight will never change. So if the diameter, if this was a piston, he might change the diameter of the stock, which will then change the length of the stock, but the weight will stay the same because we want the volume to stay the same.
Got you.
Okay. Revision is in C, today's date, and then your name. Okay, we'll go to hot inspection. Okay, so now is where you need this. So remember we talked last time, so it does look like he wants to flatten it, so I did all that, but now I'm going to go back and do what we talked about last time.
About the template.
So I'm going to open up this other one, 15.3.10. I'm going to first thing save as, and I'm going to save as, go to PFI 15.3.23. Production packet. That. Just going to take and copy all this over. Okay, and all I did was just, see what I did there? I just changed it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to get rid of that one. And we're over here to the new hot inspection. So flatten stock, we're going to change this to 1.250 to 1.301. Flatten stock. Wrench pad is going to be 1.021 to 1.041. Barrel thickness is going to be 1.021, so we're just going to copy it. Okay, so I just changed all of the wrench pads and barrels so they're all the same thing. This is always 10,000 mismatch for Aerofits, and that's it. That's all I need to do.
Okay.
For creating this packet. So I'm going to save it again, and then I'm going to select all of these tabs on the bottom. I'm going to go save as and create a PDF. The PDF PDF's created. I need to print out the packet. I'm just going to go ahead and print all of these. I'm going to print this as well. So now what we need to do is we need to upload the production packet that we just did, the 15.323. So we got quality, document control. This is brand new, so we gotta go new. Document number is 15.323. Production packets. Description is the same thing. Document dates today, we just made it. Document type is always procedure. Revision is in C, that's what we typed in. Today's date. I want to attach the file that we created, so you go to attach, drive P, BLS 132, source, part files. Scroll all the way down to 15.323. If it's created, it should be right there. Go up to the top, you need to add file. And then you need to go and find the file. So engineering, this one's an MPI 323 production packet, the PDF version. Okay. Select the production packet, hit OK. So now it's there. We'll go propose by. You have a number. You'll have to enter in your number. My number is 37 for whatever reason. Today's date. Approved by. My name. And then released by
Okay.
my name. Okay, so then we come all the way down here to where used, and we need to create a link to an estimate. So is this saying, are you sure? Yes. What do you want to link it to? 15.323. Click that one, hit OK. Now we are linked to that estimate. Save. Come back over here to estimating, and you need to make sure it's printing. So if you come over here to the estimate, 323 estimate, hit documents, you'll see the document we just linked to it right here, and then you need to make sure this box is clicked, print with traveler. Okay, and we are done.
Nice.
That's it.
Okay.
Oh, when you go to orders, you go 15.323. You have an order here. I want to make sure that there is job requirements attached to it, and there is, so we should be good.
And if there wasn't, how would I add those?
We would, I'll show you here in a second. So there is job requirements, perfect. Okay, so if there's no job requirements, we would, back to this, job requirements, and you would add a row. You click add a row, and you type in, and you'd fill that in. That's a little bit more advanced, so I want to get the other stuff figured out first.
Okay.
But if you were to add job requirements, that's how you do it.
All right.
So